Welcome back to the Sixth Gear Garage. Let me show you how easy it is to remove these extra cab windows. Let's get started. All you need is a couple of scrapers. I like these Craftsman ones because they're rigid. I'll put a link in the description. What you want to do is get under the bottom of the seal with a scraper. Definitely put a towel down if you don't want to scratch the paint. Once it's in enough, it'll start to pull. Then do the same with the other one for more surface area. Then pry it out just enough to get your fingers behind and pull it out nice and slow. There's usually a little factory adhesive at the top, so give it a wiggle. And that's it. It's just a rubber seal that holds this in. It just goes behind this seam. Well, that was the shortest how-to video yet. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more how-to videos and Toyota content here at the Sixth Gear Garage.